just what it says. That fuel is burned inside the engine. In a car engine, gasoline is burned inside the engine, which ignites the fuel and releases energy that moves the car. There are also other methods of internal combustion, such as diesel engines and gas turbine engines.
It is also more fuel efficient than external combustion engines, such as an old-fashioned steam engine. Gasoline engines used to be as inefficient as steam engines. In 1876 the gasoline engine was invented and it was no more efficient than the steam engine, which used external combustion. A lot of fuel was wasted. In 1878, Rudolf Diesel decided to develop an engine with higher efficiency, and in 1892 the diesel engine was born. It was more efficient as an internal combustion engine, but it took many more years to develop a diesel engine that was cleaner and quieter. Early diesel engines spewed out sooty smoke and at first were only used in trucks. Today, new advancements in this method of internal combustion have improved the diesel engine. The difference between gas and diesel engines is the way fuel is converted to energy. Combustion, also known as burning, is the basic chemical process of releasing energy from a fuel and air mixture. In an internal combustion engine, ICE, the ignition and combustion of the fuel occurs within the engine itself. The engine then partially converts the energy from the combustion to work. The engine consists of a fixed cylinder and a moving piston. The expanding combustion gases push the piston, which in turn rotates the crankshaft. Ultimately, through a system of gears in the powertrain, this motion drives the vehicle.
Behold, the internal combustion engine. But where did it come from? Meet Nicholas Otto, born in Germany in 1832. Nicholas wasn't the star of his high school. In fact, he dropped out at the age of 16 and worked in a series of different industries. When he was a traveling salesman, Nicholas caught wind of a coal gas engine invented by the French Etienne Lenoir. Although it was the first working internal combustion engine, Lenoir's design had a lot of problems. First of all, gas was expensive at the time. Second, the engine was relatively inefficient and required a lot of water for cooling purposes. Yet, Nicholas saw potential in the concept. First, Nicholas built a two-stroke engine that ran on liquid gas and used a carburetor. In 1876, Nicholas went on to build a four-stroke engine. Here's how it works. First, the engine mixes fuel with air in the intake phase. Second, it compresses the mixture and then combusts it with a spark. The engine expels exhaust in the last stage. Through this four-stage cycle, the engine uses a series of small explosions to convert fuel into energy. These designs have become the basis for most other internal combustion engines, and within 10 years of its invention, over 30,000 of the engines were sold.